FlyLady Kat, or Kat, from the YouTube channel FlyLady Kat, is a popular advocate and coach for home organization and cleaning routines based on the FlyLady system. This system, created by Marla Silly, aka the FlyLady, promotes structured yet manageable daily routines to help people achieve order and cleanliness in their homes with less stress. Key elements of FlyLady Kat's approach. Daily routines. FlyLady Kat emphasizes the importance of daily routines, morning, afternoon, and evening, to create a rhythm that keeps homes consistently tidy. These routines include small but impactful tasks, like making the bed, cleaning the sink, and preparing for the next day. Zones. FlyLady Kat divides the home into different zones and focuses on one zone each week. This allows people to tackle decluttering and deep cleaning one area at a time, preventing overwhelm and ensuring that each area gets regular attention. 15-minute decluttering sessions. She encourages decluttering for just 15 minutes daily, a manageable time frame that helps people make progress without feeling overwhelmed. This practice also discourages overcommitting to a massive decluttering session. Weekly home blessing. This is a weekly 1-hour cleaning session where people focus on surface cleaning, such as dusting, vacuuming, and wiping down common areas. It's not deep cleaning, but keeps spaces fresh and orderly. Avoiding perfectionism. FlyLady Kat often talks about avoiding the trap of perfectionism, which can prevent people from even starting a cleaning or organizing task. Her mantra is to focus on progress over perfection, consistency and accountability. FlyLady Kat emphasizes that consistency in routines is key to maintaining a clean, organized home. Her videos provide accountability and encouragement, helping people stay on track with their routines. Encouraging a positive mindset. FlyLady Kat often promotes a positive mindset, helping her followers see home care as an act of self-care and showing them that small, consistent actions can lead to lasting change. FlyLady Kat has built a supportive community on her channel, where she offers advice, encouragement, and a warm, relatable approach that resonates with people seeking a manageable method for keeping their homes clean.